Hey, this is Jeff Sullivan with DellTechCenter.com. We're here at VMworld 2013. Going to do a number of videos this week, but first up, we've got the Wise Ophelia project, and I'm here with Ken Coley, who's going to tell us all about it. Ken?
Thank you. Yeah, here actually it is right here. It's actually plugged into the back of this monitor showing a remote desktop application, in this particular case VMware View. It's basically a portable computing device. It's built on Android 4.2 platform, dual core processor with an onboard video processing core. So it can enable applications like remote signage. It can be used in education environments where each student can be handed out one during the school year, and that's their textbook in essence. So it changes the concept of textbooks. We actually have it shown up here as well, where we have it in lockdown mode. So as you know, Android has probably 700,000 applications that you could run. But in a corporate environment, you probably don't want to have all 700,000 available. Through our Cloud Client Manager, we can actually lock down what applications are usable. So your system administrator could select maybe 10, 15 apps that could run on this device, and then those are the ones available for the customer to use. So in this particular case, here is where we have it in lockdown mode. So this again is an Android environment, and here are 4 Android applications. The system administrator through our Cloud Client Manager has limited the ability for this device to only have access to these 4 applications. They can be any applications that your system administrator can decide to have. And then we also have technology like Pocket Cloud that actually is included in a Project Ophelia, and that's a ability to build a personal cloud amongst all your resources. And even in Pocket Cloud, the system administrator can lock down where you can go to. So it can actually form a sort of authorized personal cloud environment.
Awesome. I have to ask you a question because I know our community is going to ask the same thing. Can you explain the difference between this and a Chromecast?
Okay, so as you know, Chromecast was recently introduced as a plug-in module that plugs into a television set. But what it is it's really a multimedia distribution mechanism. So if you have a Chrome-based browser on your laptop, on your PC, on your Mac, it can connect to the Chromecast device and display that content.
Right.
It's really just a multimedia display technology. Okay. Project Ophelia is much more than that. It's a remote desktop. It's basically a traveling connectivity device. It allows you to connect to any cloud-based resources. So if you want to connect to your home PC when you're traveling on vacation, you've got the capability of doing that. If you want to connect to your desktop environment in your office, you have the ability to do that. So you don't have to carry your laptop anymore. You don't have to worry about losing it in the cab or having it broken in the airport. You can carry the small little key in your pocket. It's always on you, and there's nothing stored on this key, so it's a remote access device. So if you lose the key, the system administrator can immediately disable it, and you don't lose any data. So it's really a secured environment.
Very cool. Well, thanks for your time, Ken. Enjoy the show. Thank you.